Hey lady.
Hey lady.
It's
Women's Health Month!
This month's theme is about making all natural recipes to help support women's health.
This subscription box can come to your door each month, and in it you'll find 4 essential oils, 6 recipes, plus extra ingredients to make those amazing recipes. The March recipe box comes with the fantastic smelling oils of spearmint, super minty, wakes you up, booyah, lemon, which is naturally cooling and has that sweet lemony smell, perfect for cleaning and skincare. Marjoram is soothing, helps support respiration, and is a great oil for women's health. Next up is our Ladies' Choice blend, which is our blend specially formulated for that special time of the month to help soothe discomfort.
And for the extras, we have a paperboard tube, and it says homemade because everything in this box is actually homemade. We have a 1 ounce spray bottle and some liquid aloe vera gel.
It's made with amazing natural ingredients, and we are so excited about this new version of aloe vera. And with every box, you get 6 recipes plus adorable labels. Like, let's take a moment to appreciate the color scheme.
And for your big bonus box. So as a new subscriber, and for every 6 boxes, you get a big bonus box. So the first item is beeswax, solid coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, almond oil, a 10 milliliter roll-on. You get 6 of these guys. 6 of the 5 milliliter bottles to make all your diffuser blends.
So much stuff for just $39. You are not going to get a better deal than this anywhere, and you're not going to find the confidence and clarity to use essential oils anywhere else. This box makes using essential oils easy. To get this amazing box, free access to the course, and access to our Facebook community, go to simplyearth.com/box.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe now button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.